So these two boys, Amit and Velu, now they saw the big elephant, and this big elephant only 20 meters away, and the elephant is angry elephant. Don't let him hear us. Velu again whispered. Velu again whispered, don't let him hear us. But the elephant heard them, because you know it, why the elephant heard them? Because the animal's hearing system is a very strong, you know it ना. आपको पता है एनिमल्स को बहुत जल्दी सुनाई देता है, उनकी जो सुनने की क्षमता रहती है वो बहुत ही स्ट्रांग रहती है, और सुनने की भी एनिमल जो है वो बोल नहीं सकते, लेकिन उनकी सुनने की और सूंघने की वो जल्दी सूंघ लेते हैं, तो सूंघने की क्षमता और सूंघने की क्षमता बहुत ही स्ट्रांग रहती है. सो दैट्स व्हाई नाउ द एलिफेंट but the elephant heard them. Elephant heard them. He smelled them too, and elephant smelled them too. He put his long trunk. Trunk means, you know it, the sound. He put his long trunk up in the air. Elephant. Now elephant is very angry, and elephant put his long trunk in the air and trumpeted loudly. Trumpeted. What is the meaning of trumpeted? Trumpeted means a loud sound made by elephant. Trumpeted means what? Trumpet. Trumpet means loud sound. Loud sound made by elephant. So now the elephant heard them, and elephant smelled too. So he put his long trunk in the air and trumpeted loudly. The boys did not move, and in this situation the boys did not move. They stood on one place. Velu was afraid. Now Velu was afraid, but Amit wasn't, because you know it, Amit was a very courageous boy. So Amit wasn't. He was enjoying the whole situation. He enjoyed himself. Who? Amit. Amit enjoyed himself. Slowly the elephant come towards them. Slowly elephant come towards them. उनके नजदीक आ रहा है. Now he was only 2 or 3 meters away, and now the elephants only 2 or 3 meters away, and was shaking his head in anger. And now the elephant shake his hand, shake his head in anger. You know it, elephant, he is an angry elephant, and now he comes slowly the elephant come towards the boys, and he shake his hand in anger. He is going to attack us. Velu again whispered. Now the elephant going to attack on us. Velu whispered. Will softly talk in Amit's ear. So we must do something. Now in this situation we must do something. So he pulled out. Amit pulled out on his pocket, big brown paper bag on his pocket. Amit pulled out brown paper bag from his pocket, and on that pocket there was some sweets. There were some sweets on his pocket. This brown paper bag. He dropped the seeds on the grass. Amit dropped these sweets on the grass and started to blow these brown paper bags. Started to blow like a balloon. Started to blow this brown paper bag. Soon the bag was like a big balloon, and soon this brown paper bag looked like a big balloon, and he hit it hard with his hand. And when this brown paper bag looked like a balloon, big balloon, the Amit hit hard, hit with his hand, hit with the heart, strongly hit on the balloon, and it made a very loud noise. When the balloon burst, it made a very loud noise, and you know it, beta. You know it very well. The animals afraid of sound. Animals को डर लगता है ना sound सुन के. So animals afraid of sound and it made a very loud noise and the elephant stopped, again trumpeted and angrily and turned away. And now elephant stopped there, trumpeted angrily and turned away. He walked quickly through the tall grass and soon disappeared. Here is appear means visible. What is the meaning of appear? A-P-P-E-R. Appear, that means the visible. Okay. Visible means drushya, dikhna. And disappear. Appear, disappear. This is the opposite word. Disappear. Disappear, that means invisible. Disappear, that means invisible. Visible means dikhna. Invisible means adrushya. Visible drushya, dikhna. Invisible adrushya, na dikhna. Appear, disappear. This is the opposite word. So soon what happened? When the elephant turned back, after soon he walked quickly through the tall grass and soon disappeared into the forest. Elephant disappeared, invisible, into the forest. Both the boys gave a sigh of relief. What is the sigh of relief? What is the meaning of S-I-G-H, sigh of relief? What is the meaning of sigh of relief? The two boys face this difficult situation. They come out on this difficult situation and they take one sigh of relief. Yes, now we safe. Now we safe. This is a हम किसी problem से बचते हैं ना, तो they feel these two boys feel a relax now. Sigh of relief, that means feel the relax. And these two boys have a sigh of relief. They feel very relaxed now. And he thought we had a gun. Who said Amit? He thought means the elephant thought we had a gun. Elephant को लगा कि हमारे पास gun है. So Amit laughing softly and Yes said Velu quietly, let's run. Now Velu say yes and he said let's run. They run. These two boys run. After some time what happens? Look, those are the light of our camp. Amit say, look, there is a light of our camp. What a welcome sight. This is the light. Light means a welcome sight. The two boys didn't stop running until they were safe and at the camp. They didn't stop their running. They didn't stop their running until they were reached at the camp. And in this way, these two boys, Amit and Velu, they reached the camp safely. So, students, I hope you take this is the interesting story you enjoy properly. And now in this lesson what we learned about how to face the situation, how to face the challenge. Okay, how to face the challenge. Don't give up. What is the moral of this lesson? What we learn in this lesson, we learn you face the situation, you face the difficulty, don't give up, right? Because in this lesson also we learn the Velu and Amit, these two boys face the situation properly and carefully. They not give up. They face the situation and they come out on this situation and they reach the camp safely. So in this way we learn about the two boys in a jungle. In jungle's surrounding area, the jungle's beauty, the nature of the beauty of nature we learn in this lesson, and some vocabulary words. For example, the whispered. Whispered means where we talk softly in somebody's ear. Then trumpet. Trumpet means the second word is the trumpet. Trumpet means the loud sound. Loud sound made by elephant. Then the third word is fertile. Fertile means what? Fertile means the good soil, grow for crops. Then explore. Explore means to find out something. To find out something in surrounding. Then we learn about the sigh of relief. Sigh of relief means feel relaxed. Sigh of relief means what? Feel relaxed. So that type of vocabulary also we learn in this lesson. This is a very interesting lesson, and we learn in this lesson, the moral of this lesson is how to face the challenge, how to face the difficult situation. So in the end, I want to tell you to take with me one pledge. We take one pledge. You repeat with me. Okay, start. I plant one tree every year on my birthday to save save my surrounding, to clean my surrounding area, to save my nature, and to keep my surrounding area clean and green. Okay? Thank you.